Hello, this is Ali Ajmal, your psychologist. Today we are going to talk about broken heart. Many of the people across the globe, especially youngsters, are having some kind of problem with their relationship issues. Many youngsters come to me and they complain about their relationship problems, because of which they are having some kind of stress, depression, and other kind of distressing feelings. Well, today we are going to talk about this very phenomena of broken heart and why your heart is broken and what should you do to cure or to treat your broken heart condition, and how you can avoid your broken heart condition in future, so your heart should not be broken quite often. Okay, well, first of all, let me tell you one thing, that a condition to which we name broken heart, it's not actually heartbroken. It's just like you were into something in some relationship, you are expecting something from other person, and he or she were expecting something else. For you, the meaning of relationship was one thing, and maybe for other person whom you were into the relationship, maybe he or she was thinking relationship into a different kind of terms. Just because of this, your expectations got hurt. You could not meet up with each other, and because of which you were having or suffering some kind of non-clinical depression. So first of all, keep one thing in mind, that it is the expectations. It was your expectations which got hurt. Okay, it's the typical nature of most of the romantic relationship that we approach our such kind of relations not very logically. We just daydream. It's mostly from movies that we have been learned about these kind of relationships, because yes, our elders are not usually educating us on this very important issue, and in many cultures it is taboo. Even in the culture where it is taboo, I came to know as my personal experience with the patients, that it is even in those cultures this phenomena is widely prevalent. It's widespread even in those cultures. Okay, so first of all, we approach our relationship in we should not approach our relationship. We love to be over romantic. It's either movies or from stories we learn something, and when it doesn't go the way we were thinking it must be, like the way, we become a bit depressed, and directly it affects to our self-concept. We start thinking that it's our fault, that we were not good person, that it is my fault because of which my heart got broken. It was my fault because of which my girlfriend or boyfriend ditched me. Well, it's not like this. It's thinking the way you are thinking. If you are thinking this way, it's not true. Well, here I would like to clear your misconception that it is the nature of the relationship. When two people come together, well, you both cannot be alike. It is the nature of the human beings. Then when we are into some relationship, our expectation would not collate 100%. We are different individuals. We have different expectations. Our personalities are different. Our expectations and the way we were brought up, everything is different. So Don't expect illogically. Don't think that everything must happen according to your expectation. Don't even try to control the things which are beyond your control, like the way you cannot control human nature. Okay, if your heart is broken, first of all, I suggest you next time, whenever you approach any kind of relationship, approach it rationally. Don't be very much over romantic or don't be irrational when you are approaching any kind of relationship. And don't consider your past worries your fault. Don't consider your heartbroken thing that it was your fault. It was nature's fault. Mostly it is nature's fault, that it's human nature. It's the way the world works. But mostly people who are thinking in terms of heartbreaking and all this, they are considering it their personal fault, because of which they keep thinking I could approach things this way, that way, etc., which is again wrong. It will take you nowhere. It will just give you pain. So approach these things rationally, and you should also work on your personality. If your heart is often get broken, well, there are some personalities. It can be anxiety or other kind of personality factors, individual differences, because of which we sometimes become overly dependent to our relationship, emotional dependency, etc., because of which we hurt. So approach human relationship the way it should be approached. If you are having some kind of relationship issues, you don't know how to approach people, you are having some communication issues, your heart is broken, you don't know how to handle things, you want to be into the relationship but you don't know that how to deal with others, you can consult me. You can contact me through following given number. So we both can work on your skills. You can have an appointment on my clinic, and you can also approach me online for an online appointment. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself.